guys, so we are on a test drive on this Urus. Came in for intakes, downpipes, and of course a tune. This is the stock power, so we're kind of gonna see the difference, you know. So we're gonna give you guys the stock power versus the tune power. Right here, this bad boy is stock
from a 40 roll.
Ready? 2. That is not bad, bro. Feels really good. Our stock is great. Yeah, it's great. 1, 2, 3. It feels really good for stock. However, I think with the little PQ touch, you know, little PQ sauce on this Uruses, it wakes them up. The reaction is more like on demand. So like right now too, obviously look, if I go pedal to the metal, see that little delay? Has a little delay. Once we tune it and we add our touches to it on the tune, it'll like instantly hit, you know, the boost will hit a lot faster. Feels good. Take it inside the garage again and we shall start the tune. It is gonna go on a stage 2, I believe.
Okay, so what'd you get done?
So far, I know it's like the ECU unlock, intakes, no exhaust, downpipes.
You just got the Lambo recently, right?
Yeah, I went out to Texas and picked it up. Driving it back wasn't like going too fast, so I needed the PQ pack.
Damn. Damn.
No
What do you?
way, bro. That's like. That was honestly much more than I expected. It's insane. What the pops go crazy.
Yeah, the big difference, huh?
Pops
Big difference.
Bro, that's
You hear the intakes, huh? You hear the intakes, yeah.
Bro, that's honestly like, that's actually like a Lambo right there.
What do you think?
It's so loud.
Loud, yeah. My God. It's actually changing. Loso, it's like, I sell shoes as well. So like, my name is Loso _ shoe plug. So I just like made it as a pendant.
Damn, the whole back seat is full of.
Yeah, I came like yesterday. Appreciate it, bro.
Nah, thank
That's
you, brother.
so fire, bro. I was like, oh my God.
So Strada is obviously like your normal mode, and then you have Sport, Corsa. Corsa's a little loud, just so you can hear the difference. That's so fire. So that's Corsa. But when you want to be like super loud and like just catch a lot of attention, put it in Terra. They say a cop gets behind you or one eye, you need to be chill. Put it on Strada. And then still has some pops.
That's crazy.
Yeah, but Sport and Corsa are a little. These three right here are like a little lower. Terra, Strada, those have good pops. How does it sound? Smooth?
This is honestly like.
You hear the intakes?
Yeah, from the outside it's like crazy, bro. I was like.
So you just got it and pulled up to PQ to get that PQ size.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, I just got it. I had to come to PQ to get that PQ size.
How'd you hear about PQ?
I've been here you guys for like a long time. Cause I also got an M3 competition, but the car that Lacey posted, it's a car like the same Urus I got.
Right.
So I'm like, damn, I need like the whole package you got. And then I called him up, and then he got me right.
You want to take it for a test drive? See how it feels?
Oh yeah, let's go. That's the one.
Damn, that shit sounds like a good song.
I was scared.
You were scared?
Yeah. Okay, go.
Oh my God! My hands are flying out the window. Hold on, this is absolutely crazy. You hear the pops?
Yes. I feel it.
Oh my God! This goes way faster than like I usually. Are you ready?
I'm ready.
Launcher back. In the launcher right
I'm holding on. Yeah.
You holding on?
Yeah.
That's the.
Okay.
Oh my God! I was 110. This is so bad. This is way faster now. It's crazy.
Ooh, my heart is beating.
What do you think?
Nah, this is way faster than before.
Way faster?
Yeah.
So what? Is it a huge power upgrade?
Yeah, it's a huge upgrade. Fast. Yeah, it's fast.
The stage 2 package. Thank you so much, bro. I appreciate it. Have an amazing day.
Alright guys, so today we're going to be introducing our stance package for the G80X platform. That's going to be for all the G80s, G82s. It is going to include lowering springs, spacers, install, and 4-wheel alignment. So this is what you guys are looking at with the stock vehicle. You have about almost 4 fingers of a monster truck gap in the front, and in the rear we have about 3 fingers. Without further ado, we're going to go ahead and fix that problem, give this car the PQ stance package, and we'll see how it looks shortly.
We have a 2023 G80 with these brake pads. We're replacing the brake pads. As you guys can see, these ones are glazed up. They're so glazed up that we have to replace them because the performance on these ones are not as aggressive as what the customer wants. The customer wants aggressive braking, better performance on that braking, and he won't be able to get those results with those glazed brake pads. So we're replacing them with the OEM brand new ones.
What do you think?
Badass, bro. I think it's sick. It looks good. It looks great.
You want to take a closer look at it and see what it looks like?
Let's go check it out.
Remember in the beginning when we did the video,
Yeah.
it was 4 fingers up front? That goes down to like almost like one
finger.
Still gonna drop a little more, so it's gonna stay a little more plush. And then on the rear, I don't recall exactly how many fingers it was. So I don't remember exactly how many fingers it was on the rear. Right now we only have about 2 fingers or 2.5, and give it like a day or 2 and it's gonna settle a little more. There you guys have it. This is our stance package right here. Lowering springs, spacers, alignment, ready to go. Oh yeah, we also did the brake pads on this customer's car.
What do you think? How does it sit?
Badass, bro. It looks good. I'm gonna bring it back. Obviously, we're gonna do the Adro kit and hopefully put it on full bolt-ons 85. This car's gonna be making power, so make sure you guys follow PQ.
This beautiful 2022 Toyota Supra. Fortunately, was involved in a side swipe. So as you can see, this whole quarter panel is pushed in. We started working on it already, so he did bring it out. As you guys can see, quarter panel is full of primer. That's because it did have some damage to the quarter panel. It was repairable, so we went ahead and repaired it. Now we threw the primer. Primer's about to start getting sanded down and straight to the spray booth.
Looks crazy. What originally happened to like the car?
So it was parked on my house, in front of my house. My neighbor, I guess he didn't see it. Back straight into it. Yeah, I was inside and
Luckily you brought it to the right place.
it looks like it didn't even get hit.
Damn.
Like nothing happened,
Yeah,
huh?
nothing happened.
Pick up your car and get to see Travis? What?
X6M competition. We're gonna be doing carbon fiber front mount intakes, downpipes, transmission tune, ECU tune, all that good stuff. We're gonna be turning this X6M into an absolute beast, so stay tuned for that. We installed the downpipe intake, fresh set of spark plugs in there. I did already flash the stage 2 tune, and right now, as you guys can see, watch, I'm gonna show you guys real quick. We're flashing the transmission tune. So as soon as this is done flashing, I'm gonna go ahead and turn it on, let you guys hear it, and then when the customer gets here, we're gonna give him a test drive and hopefully he likes out. So the X6M customer picked up his vehicle already. He loved the outcome. He just did not want to be on camera, which is absolutely understandable.
Wheel gap gone completely.
Looks a lot more aggressive.
Front end crazy.
What do you think?
Looks crazy, bro. The front end especially. A lot more carbon for sure too. Perfect, bro. No wheel gap whatsoever. I could barely even fit my fingers in there.
And it's gonna go lower too.
Yeah, once you start driving it, it'll end up lowering a couple more.
Yeah, bro. Thank you very much.
Yeah, of course, man. Enjoy the ride. I know you came from a long way, so I appreciate you once again.
Wait, how far did you come from?
Fresno, bro. Couple hours.
Really?
Yeah.
So you drove all the way from Fresno to pull up to PQ?
Fresno, bro.
Wait, why'd you pull up to PQ?
I know you guys handle these cars every day, so I had to make sure I come to the right people, get the job done right.